Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will design a student card using Microsoft Word. So let's start. First, you have to insert shapes. Go to insert option and select the option shapes. After selecting the option shapes, draw the rhombus shape with the help of the cursor. Now you have to change the color of this shape into white. Press the cursor on the shape and you will see an option shape fill and fill the shape with white color. Now you have to add another shape. Take rhombus shape or rectangle, whatever you want. I am taking a rhombus shape and draw the shape just like this. Now you also have to fill this shape with different color. I am selecting red color. You can add any of the color according to your choice. Now you have to furthermore add a shape. I am taking a rectangle shape. Take the rectangle shape in which you will write student ID card heading on it. Increase the number of the text and align it in the center. After center aligning it, now you have to bold it. If you want to change the color of the text, you can change it. I am changing the color of the text into blue. Now change the style of the handwriting into Arial black. Now you have to fill the color of this middle shape. See, I have changed its color into red. The text color is not seems good, so I would change its color into white. Now you have to add another rectangle shape for image. Draw the rectangle shape on the corner of the card. Now add another shape, rhombus type, for writing a text, image or photo on it. Increase the number of the text and also rotate it just like this. Center align this text in the rotate form. Now take a text box just next to this photo corner for writing the description of the student on it. Now write the description of the student, for example, name of the student, father name of the student, contact number, address, CNIC number, phone number or whatever you want to write on it. Center align this text also. For filling the color of the card, you have to go to option shape fill and select the texture option and then fill it with texture color. Fill the color of text box also with the texture color and your student card is ready. Check the spelling mistakes if you want to. If you want to crop the card, you can crop it by using the snipping tool. I have told you in my previous video how to use it. If you like my video, share it with your friends. Thanks for watching. For further more updates, subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the like icon.